Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we
Okay guys, I'm live. So today NFP, I'm gonna try to do one thing, pass 2 evals, and actually it's also a test. With one will be with stop orders and second with stop limit orders. So
Magnus' bestest crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus' best master strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Madness brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling.
So everything should be set up correctly. I need to wait a little bit more so that I can put my orders. Okay. So I will be putting them around 40 points from the price, 50, 40. Right, we have 5 minutes, so this is 40 points distance up and down. This is 16 points, that's what we need to pass the challenge. We are using mini. We are on NQ, Nasdaq, we are using mini. 10 contracts. Okay, I need to. Oh, we also here 10, but we don't need this field actually. I'm using the field down here. So 10 contracts. Quantity 10 contract as well. So here will be the buying is 1 eval 25. So we will be putting the order. Let's see. We need to do it right now. And sell will be around here. So let's set up this one. And let's go with this one. So here we have, this is the trigger price. This will be trigger price for buy. Three points is the offset. Trigger price. Okay. safety, the settings on the safety account of the account is to take daily profits and close everything at $3,150. So if I don't, because here we cannot, I found out the ATM doesn't work here. The ATM is now take profit at 63 points profit, like it will create this order. It was supposed to, but it just doesn't do it. I tested it, so that's why I put the same risk settings and just close every trade for the day at profit of $3,150, because we just need 3,000 to pass plus some commissions slippage. So are we? Let me check everything. Are we ready? I want to get in around 40 points from the price. So we have 1 minute, 20 seconds. Let me put this closer. And is it Friday? What is it doing? No move?
We found our home with that passion ignited like a firestone in this world of trade, and we're finally known.
This is not as expected. Okay, why is my clock okay?
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move. He reaches for the sky, but in his heart he knows the score. It's not just skill, it's something more. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus knows it's not by chance, it's by God's grace he's led his dance. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus bestest in the beat, tries the path that God bestows. For every step he says a prayer, knowing God's hand is always there.
Wow, this is crazy. It's actually the first time I'm seeing something like this.
God's love is true and real, so even when the world applauds, he lifts his voice and praises God. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus bestest at the beat, Magnus bestest is the best. Magnus bestest, he's led this dance.
Under the moonlight, we sway and croon, whispering secrets, a tender tune. Gently we twirl in this sweet embrace, lost in the magic of this timeless place. Stars wink above us in a velvet sky. Eyes full of wonder, hearts flying high. Softly we dance with a rhythm so true.
Okay, I think we will just
Wrapped in
close
the warmth of a
the
love
orders.
once new. Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore. Whispers of breezes, smooth as a kiss. Moments of laughter, moments of bliss. In this embrace, where our hearts beat as one, life feels like a dance that's only begun. Candles flicker, casting shadow show. Eyes locked in passion, setting dreams aglow. With every step, our spirits entwine. Two souls in concert, a love so divine. Time seems to vanish under the spell. A waltz with eternity where we dwell. Hands intertwined, we amaze and delight. Together we'll stay under the moonlight. Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore. Under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore.
were whispers that light up the skies. Fire rings, oh, they make me feel free. In their sparkle I can truly see silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With fire rings, I feel so right. Fire rings, oh, they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With fire rings, I feel so right. Hold my hand, feel the silver embrace. In each ring there's a new kind of grace. Fire rings like a moonbeam's kiss. In the glow is a world full of bliss. Drifting softly on this soul-filled stream. Fire rings, they turn wishes to dreams. Wrapped in silver with a heartfelt gleam. Shining brightly, it's more than it seems. Fire rings, so they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With fire rings, I feel so right. Fire rings, so they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With fire rings, I feel so right.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Just not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just by
Okay guys, so basically cancelled, NFP cancelled. So I cancelled my orders as well. That's a bummer. I wanted to really just nicely test the limit versus stop, stop order versus limit order breakouts on NFP or some news. Unfortunately, this happened, so that's life, no problem. But I was like nicely prepared, and I was expecting to have already the result of this data, and I just need to wait for another news hopefully the CPI or PPI 15 of October and 16, hopefully it will be a better situation. So hopefully that will actually happen. No problem. So we just need to wait. And of course I'm not gonna trade these slow markets without a direction. Today is like a very weird day now. Everybody is like, so what do we do now? So the price just doesn't move and people are confused. They don't know what to expect, so everybody's just like kind of like waiting until we see a strong move in some direction. There's no point in getting into any trade. So we had a open over here. And nothing. Okay. How you doing? Yeah, so basically I'll trade. But we will have some fun, at least at the open of New York Stock Exchange. I will do some trade, just testing still the environment, how it performs on TradeAway. I'm still not decided if I should use this platform or maybe Ninja Trader. We'll see. Don't forget, I have already coded a very nice indicator over here, this yellowish rectangle that marks the candle that is just before the open, so 29-minute candle. You need to be on 1 minute time frame, and so that you know, like, now you need to wait just a few seconds, less than a minute, and the market opens. This is yellow one. This is for the New York session open, and then I have a dark, like Turkish bluish one, bluish green one, similar like this rectangle. That will be for the minute 29 before the NYSE open, the stock exchange open. Very nice cups. Nice cups. So basically, yeah, we'll wait about half an hour for the open of stock market and do some funny quick trades.
Specially made just for you. Every gamer knows it's true. Precision in each move you make. Let your skills break through. Magnus, bestest mousepad ever. Game all day, it's so clever. Pixel perfect every stride. Victory is on your side. Attention to each detail, nice. Crafted once but lasts for life. Say goodbye to lag and glitch. Magnus mousepad makes you rich. Feel the tension fade away. With each swipe you're set to play. Dominate in every quest. With Magnus you're the best. Every move you Every click you take, everything is just so smooth and great. Ideal for market trading, it's super great for gaming, with design so unique and fresh. Everybody loves it, it's truly the best. Every move you make, every click you take, everything is just so smooth and great. Ideal for market trading, it's super great for gaming, with design so unique and fresh. Everybody loves it, it's truly the best.
This is funny, so I just want to show you guys. It really just disappeared. The NFP just disappeared from the calendar. So it was here tentative 2:30 and just disappeared. So that's funny. Very interesting. Okay. So I'll come back in about 20 minutes for the open of the stock exchange market.
Magnus Pestis crew, they got the knack. Trading, paper chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sleek like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. Magnus Pestis crew, they got the knack. Trading, paper chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sleek like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. bestest crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. Magnus' bestest crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news.
Yeah. Okay. So we are about to be at the open, and do a very quick testing trade. So basically, guys, I would like to create a strategy for these futures that everybody would like. It would be simple to follow. It will be I will actually call it the monkey strategy. That's my mission on these futures. It is a new challenge, and I wanna actually now really create something that will change lives completely. I want to create a strategy that will be monkey style, easy to follow. So still I haven't decided if it's gonna be just one trade per day on the open, or it will be a little bit of like, you know, within the very strict limits, trading the price action. But I will really tell you like what to avoid to trade, so that you don't fall into some bad consolidation, no moving candles. That will be just losing money. So basically it will be always on 1 minute, I think. Okay, if it's gonna be the opens, there is potential I will be doing it on 5 minutes. But so now actually, okay, we are about to open, so I will be trading the open, and this can be the final strategy. But I still, as I said, I need to find out what I really like the most for you guys. So I'm testing. So that's why I developed this indicator. Now we are going to have on the 29th minute, we are going to have this. I'll show you in the past price action how it's gonna look like this rectangle. What is it? Bluish color. As you can see, it is the 29th minute. Okay, I forgot to. Sorry, guys. I record double the screen because it was prepared for the NFP 2 trades. Hold on. So we need to do this and this. And okay, I should have prepared it sooner. Hold on. So this is the rectangle. Let me go back to the present, back to the future. So are we? I think it's looking nice. Okay, yeah. So we are now about to get on 29th minute. A bluish rectangle like this. It's 10 points. So it's always also, there's also 10 points. So we actually know what 10 points is. And if you are on a micro and you use 5 contracts, that's $100 per 10 points move. So this move, it will cost you 1, or you will earn $100 with 5 contracts on MNQ micro. So you need to learn like this, like control losses. So here it's not like on forex, like with my indicator on MC5, like where you just click S and then drag and drop the stop loss, and it will automatically calculate the 1% from your balance to risk. Here you need to really just, it's impossible actually to do it here, so you need to trade a little bit differently. You need to basically be okay with not being able to control the losses within like 1%. You need to, every candle is different, so that's the problem with here. So it requires completely different approach than forex trading, these futures. So because here we have like this candle is around 10 coins, but this one is 30% of that, you know, 4 points. So if you want to put a stop loss here, it will be different, and take profit, let's say here, you will earn a lot less than if you were trading this candle and then the whole candle. You will earn like 5 points, so $50 here. You know, you need to program yourself and get accustomed to this. So now we are in the minute 26. So let me get ready. And I know the mic is not very loud. I'm just trying to, there's, for some stupid reason, it's not that easy to boost the mic. So in the meantime, I can at least lower the music.
In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news.
Mic is on top level loudness.
We
Yeah.
rise together.
Let's just focus on trading now.
Asbestos class,
We still don't have this candle, so what do we, the big picture?
in this world of trading, we're
Let this put out of the way. So this is 10 points with 5 micro contracts. That is $100 risk. So I just want to show you how you can trade based on really just candles. We're still testing, of course. The white line is a VWAP. So I know nobody's on stream, but it is just trading journal or testing journal. So here we go. This is 28 minutes. 5 minutes looking like this.
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move. He reaches for the sky, but in his heart he knows the score. It's not just skill, it's something more. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above.
This
Every win, every gain is
NFP didn't happen, unfortunately.
knows it's not by chance, it's by God's grace he's led his dance.
And if you hold shift, you can move like this.
Glory to the one above.
That's okay.
Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus bestest, stand the beat.
Let's mark some levels.
For every step he says a prayer, knowing God's hand is always there. With every trade, with every
Let's
deal,
go to 1 minute. Let's get ready. We are now, you can see, the 29 minutes. So now what I want to do is some nice candle formation. This is ATM, so it takes profit at 64 ticks, 16 points.
He's led this dance.
So where does it want to go? Where does it want to go?
Under the moonlight, we sway and croon, whispering secrets, a tender tune.
Maybe some
Gently we
short,
twirl in this
a
freedom
quick squeeze up.
lost in the magic of this timeless place. Stars wink above us in a velvet sky. Eyes full of wonder, hearts flying high. Softly we dance with a rhythm so true, wrapped in the warmth of a love we once knew. Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note
And take profit. So basically, this is what I want to show you. Like, if you just, this is like a very quick profit, because I know we are bouncing from the red line, so you really have just one candle to take profit, you know, if you trade this style. And if you use a good position, that's a nice profit. So always go for one candle size, but at the open you can try to go for more, but as you can see, like, there was just too much resistance, so there is no point in waiting. So you need to go with break even, stop loss immediately, and take profit really quickly. So it is an important level. Some people just trade 5 minute breakout.
Oh, through the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together.
What it is, so basically the monkey strategy is just the first trade.
Under the moon,
And then the other strategy we are thinking about to show you is just when you are already shown some directions like here, and you have some good retrace, then you can enter on a move like that. But I'm just still undecided if I want to give you these instructions, like if you should do like this, if you should do and do it like that, because it can be very risky. Get stuck in a consolidation. One trade is a lot easier to be a monkey strategy. So this is 10 points. You need to always know what's your risk. So this is a 10-point distance. VWAP is also useful to have there. So this is the minute 29. Oh wait. No, that I need to refresh it. So basically, but it was showing correctly when it was happening. Why did it move? Maybe because I was changing time frames right now. So let's see what's happening here. It's 10 points. So ideally you should already stop trading, you know. And this is now showing like potential of the new strategy or second strategy, where you would be trading basically in a trend. Once the trend is shown, it can be risky, one can be like loss, and then but eventually you will be profitable if you go with the trend and trade on the changes of the candles. So here if we go above this one, that's an example. Like you could go try to go long. And then the take profit would be the same size of the candle. As you can see, it can be more stressful because it's a 1 minute candle, you need to wait. So that's why I don't know if I want to give you this strategy, and maybe it will be just better, you know, just one trade per day like this one, even though it was like a bad example, bad trade, still it was profitable. So that's the power of this. Or break even. So even though the market basically didn't move, there was no loss. There was supposed to be NFP, and there's no NFP, and now there's no energy anywhere. People are just sleeping. They're like, okay, F this, nothing happens. Let's come to on Monday. And Friday basically is very slow. You should actually not trade Fridays if you are a beginner. And it's already again completely choppy price action, proving my point. That's choppy.
My rings on my fingers, they shine. Turning heads
And also
like
your
a
stop loss, you need to always, in futures, need to think about your stop loss size. So this is almost 20 points. So that would be just a huge loss if it went down.
wearing magic on my hands, it sings. Every whisper is a promise it brings. My earrings catching all of my sights. Silver whispers that light up the skies. My earrings, oh, they make me feel free. In their sparkle I can truly see. Silver dreams dancing on like a flight. By your rings, I feel so right. By your rings, so they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see. Silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With by your rings, I
Yeah,
feel
Friday,
so
you should not
right.
trade Fridays, guys.
Hold my hand, feel the silver embrace.
If you are starting,
In each ring there's a new kind of grace. By your rings like a moonbeam's kiss. In the glow is a world full of bliss. Drifting softly on this soul-filled stream. By your rings they turn wishes to dreams. Wrapped in silver with a heartfelt gleam. Shining brightly, it's more than it seems. By your rings, so they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see. Silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With by your rings, I feel so right. By your rings, so they make me feel free. In the sparkle I can truly see. Silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With by your rings, I feel so right.
drop. Basically, it got out as I told you. You need to be careful with small, slow price action. And now again, we are back into consolidation. No trading zone. If this move is not stronger and really like showing direction, there's just consolidation. creating right now. It would be nice if it was a strong move. Now it's not looking bad, but it needs to really continue. There's a lot of, we have fair value gap, a lot of liquidity here. You can do anything. It can do anything completely. It's just consolidation. Without a strong move, strong direction, it's a consolidation. Going to VWAP so it can bounce from that.
gamer knows it's true. Precision in each move you make. Let your skills break through. Madness, bestest mousepad ever. Game all day, it's so clever. Pixel perfect every stride. Victory is on your side. Attention to each detail nice. Crafted once but lasts for life. Say goodbye to lag and glitch. Magnus mousepad makes you rich. Feel the tension fade away. With each swipe you're set to play.
And now, nice pump.
Magnus, you're the best.
So basically finishing the level of consolidation. So basically just proved that we are really in a accumulation,
Bestest mousepad ever.
going up and down,
Clever. Pixel perfect every stride.
nicely
Victory is
respecting the levels so far. And then only if it breaks with power, shows its hands, only then we can trade.
for you. Every gamer knows it's true. Precision in each move you make. Let your skills break through. Magnus, bestest mousepad ever. Game all day, it's so clever.
Beautiful consolidation. This is like
Victory is on your side.
just
Attention
up and down, trapping all buyers and sellers.
life. Say goodbye to lag and glitch.
Just proving my point. Friday is very
Feel the
tricky
tension fade away.
most of the time, not always.
Set to play. Dominate in every quest. With Magnus, you're the best.
So basically, if you got in, like there are traders who do it like on 5 minute. They go to 5 minute mark levels,
Every click you
and
take,
then
everything is just
some of them would enter here
ideal for market
and stopped out. Some of them would be waiting over here. That's the better option.
Everybody loves it, it's truly the best.
Let's see, should we try it just for demonstration purposes? Trade consolidation, how it can be.
Every move you make, every click you take.
This is an ugly price chart. Basically, of course, if you are trading with real money, something you really like wanna be 100%, you never trade even on Friday. You should just never trade, and not completely not price action like this. This is a no trade zone. Only if it breaks with power here and then retraces, and then you can go maybe, but still it's Friday, so you should probably not even do it. So why my indicator shows the candle over here? I mean the rectangle over here. Why? So small. Over here. Let me change the chart maybe. Oh, it's correct if I refresh it. That's interesting. here you can see a prime example. Still, how it's important to be out of the consolidation. Some traders trade this breakout over here. Basically on 5 minute. But it's Friday, you know, and it's already it's already 53 minutes after the open. So the most volatile, it's 20 minutes. First 20 minutes. So here a lot of traders can get, you know, chopped up with this breakout. They go in. That's why it's wise. Well, some of them, like Mambafx, they just wait till it fills again. 5 minutes. He also doesn't trade Friday, so you know, you need to have your rules. And again, traders, breakout traders will be losing again. And we are back into consolidation. And the market is actually a little bit better. Like 2 hours after the open, New York Stock Exchange open, you can trade nicely with a trend. So here I will recommend, like, when the open happens, just follow the monkey strategy. Just one trade on the open, like this one, even though it was basically a bad situation. Sometimes this happens when it's like Friday, but still it was profit. So basically I followed my indicator. It was a 29 minute candle, and then when it overcome this red bar, I just went up. And I know there's energy because it's open, but I saw it was very slow because of the NFP not happening in Friday, so I just put my break-even stop loss there and took some profit as well. So this is why I like the one trade per day strategy on open, and then you can. I'm thinking about showing you guys the other strategy, but I will really recommend, as I always mention, when you see already the move, quick strong move somewhere, you see the direction, not like this up and down choppy, or just, you know, just come to the markets really just 2 hours from the open. Don't participate in this at all. You will get just chopped out, because here it could go actually down. You don't know if it's gonna jump from here, and here of course it can go up. It could have gone up. So shorting here, buying here, it's risky. It's no strategy. That could have been a breakout. So now we maybe are going to have finally, but still we can bounce from here. And buying here, it's risky. You know? So you need to wait. You need to have one strong strategy you like, and then just do that. And statistically, we'll have an edge. as I say, in futures it's very different. You need to take, we have trailing drawdowns, so we need to take profits very quickly. Even though we know it's gonna go longer, like bigger direction, but we need to protect the trading drawdown. So it's always wiser to take profits sooner rather than later. Okay, so I'll probably just finish this. And this is far from the blue line, so shorting this and this is completely non-tradable. You cannot trade. This is risky. Well, there's gonna be really just consolidation up and down, continuing. So yeah, we'll come on Monday. We'll be back. Hopefully the markets, normally on Monday, the markets are nicer.
Gently we twirl in this sweet embrace, lost in the magic of this timeless place. Stars wink above us in a velvet sky.
So today, just one
Eyes full of
small profit,
hearts
monkey
flying
strategy,
high.
just one trade per day.
Softly we dance
And I will tell you later if I decide like this is what I want you to be trading.
once knew.
I'll tell you later.
Our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore. Whispers of breezes, smooth as a kiss. Moments of laughter, moments of bliss. In this embrace, where our hearts beat as one, life feels like a dance that's only begun. Candles flicker, casting shadow show. Eyes locked in passion, setting dreams aglow. With every step, our spirits entwine. Two souls in concert, a love so divine.
This is actually a nice move.
Time seems to
Again, so we are breaking. This is a good breakout trade. But if you are doing just one trade per day, you don't participate here.
hands intertwined.
As you can see, finally we can see some energy.
Together we'll stay under the moonlight.
The reason why this was a good trade because the candles were dropping, lower highs, lower lows, and we overcome this green bar and together with the resistance. So this is something that should have happened at the open.
Our love's a song,
We have also a round hour, so that's why we have energy here.
note of promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden
And we also have news.
under the moonlight.
ISM services PMI.
A melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore.
So the only trades you would be trading today is this one at the open and this one because it was also news and we overcome the support and also the green bar. You would be completely away from this choppy consolidation price action. Also, it was so slow and choppy because everybody knew there's gonna be news, so everybody was waiting for this moment to trade short. So that's why you can see it just traded nicely. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.